Alright, hey guys. This is Kink Bike Corp on YouTube with a new bike check update, whatever. Sorry that my last one didn't have any sound. It was kind of weird. But I got new pedals and new grips. My bike can stand still. Alright, well, I got new pedals. They're Animal Steven Hamilton pedals. I got Chase Hawk grips. Chase Hawk. They're really nice. Alright, so here's my bike check. I got a kink curb frame. Kink Volt forks. Kink Midtown bars. Chase Hawk grips. Mission stem. Mission seat and seat clamp. Mission cranks. Kink 3-piece. Sprocket chain wheel, whatever you want to call it. Mission cassette hub. I think that's a kink and Mission freaking chain. Mission rims, Mission tires. And yeah, that's my bike check. Oh well, here, I'm gonna set this down for a second. I don't know if you can hear that. That's what it sounds like. It's a nice bike. I totally recommend it.